they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm a broso with me yeah. Me person me come anymore.
But Iddi say your friend is many amane say black. I could feel say a far.
So baby I obe manim na wo kasa. Say muna ne Daniel dane dan jai. Na me time. What's all I know muna na dane dan ho sa kokono ase etete abion. Ati onim kaka na ho nyafe.
That's I'm not in a good mood in here. Say me say Iddi say me say black na amako omufi onum say kwakofa na de ekofa akura no na yakwakwa edi ene no say yina ate ho ase so Iddi say kudru ya ama say black ana ne sister bi ofi wona hwa akura no o my lie de akura na kwakwa si say akura na ira
o my lie
o my planning because say kudru ya ne style na say black kasa na ama kasa no na make sense because say Shasene say black ACTO. I don't know call Russia say unko edi ene no. You could do fio no mana ye knock ye na indicate na dia caretaker ne ba ye na wabeka kire say akra no hunu wayera. Na say black I calm down or so say ni.
Da bi hunu akola no say akla na yira na akola no kodi agro.
Say one say wo crampo na on can issue no headmaster no say what say one style o react say black anya sa o so saying as I am fan of one say and am so say pretend oh yes some drama bi o na dey say me Saturday na easy o e ma nyina yes me ye me say na yes akohwehwe akora no ewura mu nyina say akoda ne ntokwa o kwan mu
masama din o he mo hamme he menyam abusuani o he school na obai ena say black adwuma na menene ye ama adwuma school na obai menya obi abusu apanyi o nti sa asamba na se kam yi ato yi na ye nyina ye hwe se be ya wo betima sua wa de se black betima ye na adwuma he munyina mumfa mutini mu na enya na ntwa so
se na me na ma try no
asa mo tete me dodo mi hu ni amenya mo me koyesisi ya na mi take action bi amose mitiri mo den na mu bomi din boni
say no video
mi ngwa dia mo ye no mo amunim say nye say we munti say nipa da wona on turn trouble we say we aden dia pa na menyam
say no so take action because me there's a black name me there me there say me na say sa na be ya me consider say me involve me uncle no nti say me na sa na be ya say na me involve na me nso me relax because omo fa me follow mo say akwaya me nko abusoni bi endi mechi
say enya wanka we involve no wo involve wanka ama be involve obi say black be involve obi enya ko do that level no say mamu because me nyam abusuani o e do that level na sune me nsani me na anim enti say mo ba tenase na madwene se mpanyimfo say mo pra akola ho de say mo nyina ma mpanyimfo mo tenase na ma reason se mpanyimfo amontase na mo reason na mo ne say ye that ye wo no ye fa ye nto but the way mo see behave there is too much.
Say yes black ne amount and you say we say
me dey better what to more fa no mo ne yaba mu no mo nka hu se me nka ho bi me nya madwe se me ni obi abusu e kwa kwatwema nso enti se obe din na matombo na amawu se black o se hwan o mo ba kwahwe abofra no empo se mba ayampani ampa se abofra na yira mo ba report na ye hu abofra no na makwa mudie na fine so be it. But mo kwatwetwe mo busu afo ba mo amon count me out me ni obi abusu apani
say we make sense
ana me hwa so wo menya papa menya wo fa just wo fa ni ha ena edwuma na menene ye ena asamaba ena me say okay se be ya munyina no bia benya no na hoto no me di agina mu enya sa we dey say fa headmaster ho enya headmaster edwuma enya teacher die
say o de hwe 50 time I call for you I call you akra no mo say akra na yira no say besin ne ama mfre na busuani bia men sante ho hwu nti akra na yira wa yira sa ye hu no
ena ma sambo hunu nyansa no kwere say black ene ama na mo kwere akra no mpo no say ho be dia mo ku police station ko report me dey metima ka kira mo
Say any police case because we must me ko home na team up. You go home
say for munyina
say kasa be.
For munyina mo nti mo police case am ko report to police.
Cause since I told you to come and look for me, I always like meet you. You don't come and then
I've
look
just
for me.
been busy around, you know.
I've told you I'm the smartest student here.
I
so
know, right?
If you keep on doing other things without coming to look for me for us to learn,
Don't worry, I'll do better.
suffer.
Okay, I'll do better.
And then I also have other things to like. I give gist.
Just?
Yes.
Oh,
Do you
really?
like gist?
Oh, come on, who doesn't?
Really? Then I have a lot of gist, So you have to be coming so that we learn, and I'll be giving you gist.
Okay, no problem.
Then I'm gist. Now,
Do you
I
understand you?
You really understand? So, since I've started with this, let me just give you one gist so that you'll be motivated to come to me to study with me.
Sure.
You know Scanty?
That fair guy?
Yeah, it's called Adams.
Scanty. Yeah, that guy.
Did you know he has a child?
No.
He apparently had a child with a girl called Britta in the school.
In the same school?
Yes. And then we heard that
no wonder
the child is not for Scanty. The child is for Seer Black.
The same Seer Black then?
Yes. Seer Black, the cool Seer that we all know. The child is for Seer Black, yes. But you know, these are all rumors. We don't know the truth and all that. So they decided to go and take a DNA test or something. And now the child is missing.
The child is missing?
The child is missing.
Oh, that guy, honestly, it's not like I'm happy about the situation, but I feel like he really deserves it. I just don't like him.
How do you know?
No, I've been seeing how he has been moving around here, around the school. I just don't like him.
For real?
Nothing serious.
Hey, really?
Yeah, he's so unserious, like.
Oh, I see. Oh, it's good you know. It's good you can see some things I see.
I mean, like.
And people who can see what I see, I like them. So I like you already.
I know,
You know you are kind of my best friend now.
Hey,
Am I your best friend?
Oh, why that?
Oh, I'm now getting there.
Okay, so
I'm now
besties?
getting there. Yeah, besties.
No problem. Okay. Okay. So now, like, where is the K? Like, do you know something about it?
That is what we are all worried about.
Hey.
But me, I think Scanty has something to do with it.
The same Scanty.
Oh yes, I think Scanty has taken the child.
Is it because like the child is not for him?
I feel he knows the child is not for him.
Then that's serious.
Yeah, so he's just scared of the truth. And I don't know why you'd be dumb enough to be scared of the truth. Instead of you to wait and find out that I'm
to the extent of like taking the kid.
Yes. So now people are assuming it's Scanty, but me, I believe it's Scanty too. I don't think it's a lie.
I believe too. I also believe in it because that guy, he can do anything.
It's good. It's good you know all these things. So for us to be able to talk more about people and do well in the school, you have to come and look for me.
Oh, of course. You can come and look for me too as well.
I always come and look for you.
Oh,
mostly they tell me you're not around. Where do you go? Sharon.
Oh, precious. Come on. This is nothing serious.
Really?
Come on. Trust me.
You look nice though.
Thank you. You're also looking beautiful.
Every time you are giving us back-to-back outfits.
Hey, come on. This is just a normal casual outfit. Yeah.
So where were you going?
I'm just moving around. I don't really have anything.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me person me come anymore.
We went to Betty's house and then my child wasn't around.
Don't say your child. The kid wasn't around because you can't justify whether that kid is yours or not. So spell out the truth. When you went there, the child was nowhere to be found.
I said, I believe the child is mine, but
I'm not talking about belief system here. I'm talking about what is happening.
Sir, are you supporting Scanty? I know the child is mine, and then you are saying
you have evidence to make that claim. Is there any evidence?
I don't say.
So if you don't have any evidence, then keep quiet. Tell me what happened.
I'm saying we went there and then we saw this maid house who was in there. So we asked her, where is the child? And she said, no sooner had the child finished eating, then she left out. So I thought it was a prank, and then I asked, where exactly did she go? She said she was just around. So we searched everywhere, But all hopes proved futile. We didn't see the child.
So when you were looking for the child, where was Adams then?
Adams, he was there.
He was standing there with
Adams was there with me.
Did he take part in looking for the kid?
Yes, he tried.
He tried.
Yes,
meaning all of you were looking for the kid.
We were searching for the kid.
And at the end of the day, you did not see the child.
We didn't see her.
So what happened afterwards?
Aroma, Scanty wanted to engage in the field with me, but I didn't allow that because I'm matured. I went there to take my child for a DNA. I went there to take the child for a DNA test, not to argue or to fight with anyone. So I didn't allow that to happen. So we never fought. We didn't.
You didn't fight him?
Yes, sir, we didn't fight.
Good. And did you make any formal reports at the police station?
I'm saying actually I was on the verge of reporting, but I gave a second thought that I should inform you since you are the headmaster of the school.
At least you having a banter with Adams over the kid, and you were not seeing the kid, you searched, and all your effort proved futile. The next thing that would have been wiser for you to do was to go to the police station to make a formal complaint that, oh, this is the situation, then we can pick it up from there. But you left it there just like that, coming to tell me. What would I do about this? I keep telling you, at the normal circumstance, this issue should have been handled at the family level, not in school. But I'm just trying to, give it a human face to some extent, simply because I'm the headmaster of the school, you are my subordinate, and then Adams and Bretta, they are my students. And I don't want anything that is going to, how should I put it? Ignite any flames or whatever it is on campus. Other than that, do I have a stake in this? No. So look at you. At times I tell you, make informed decision as and when it's necessary.
I'm saying the reason I did not report is that these media men, they are always searching for issues, news to blog. So I didn't want to make this thing publicize this issue. That's why I didn't report it.
There's nothing about the media. If you so wish, then the media will come in. If you don't want the media to come in, media will not come in.
They will never come in this issue, sir.
So don't drag issues. You see, I keep telling you, you are a teacher. Fine. You are impacting knowledge. And I don't want you to have some kind of psychological problems that you are going to transfer to the children at the end of the day. That's exactly what I'm trying to avoid. Otherwise, I don't care about whatever is happening. Because after all, when you people were enjoying yourself, where was I? I wasn't anywhere close. So why should I, carry that cross? I will tell you, go to the police station, make a formal complaint, because it's about a kid, it's about life. Who knows? I'm coming. You said Adam partook, he was part of the search.
Yes, sir.
And after the search, did you see him?
No. I even left there before Adams.
You left there before Adams?
Because he was trying to be in a field with me, so I left the scene just to avoid any fight.
So, isn't there any form of suspicion?
I'm sorry, if you talk of suspicion, then I would think Adams.
You would think?
Yes, Adams has a hand in what is happening. Because when we were going, he was saying, in case we go and then we didn't see the child, what am I going to do? And then I told him, let's get there first. You don't have to bury me whilst I'm alive. So I think he has a hand in all that is going on.
Santobeji say, mene ama, ene say black. Yako ama mufi o say kwa fa akwala no. Na de ane ene na kwa yedi akwa na kwa yedi na. Asantobeji say duru ye no, sin na ko happen wo no. Bibi a kire say ama ne say black. Omo de akwa na kosie, na omo say akwa na ya. Obi a nyina ye din komo wo school. Ya before say be kokra, ye tena say black ni mo din komo be 30 minutes o. E de bibi atutu ye sie kodura say ni e be say ni say. Ye duna say ni say na be na obi ate no ase. Ye nyina ya plan we now. Afi de ye koduru fie ono ma. na sa ama sister na yo hwe akra no so no de ama ba school hwe no na ama sister ni pia be ka kire say akra na Iddi agro sisi anu hu na akra na yera all of a sudden akra na yera na ubeje di say black ampa se ne asem webo si giginem ni ade no gen ka say akra na yera no no an say black gina wa relax na nti ede no yera okon ade na say black o na be head am so ye some drama bio and akra no am say hwe mo de madwen ba be di agro ma plan de akra na kwa kwasie abegina ye concert we say akra na yera ama me say dey say black na ama aye me ho dwiri me sa na me confused ti ma madwen kwa say me de me anko be wura asem wem nye kwasi asem no mo ni me di ne sa ada na ngaza
menka dey
say akasa to aso sa be 5 minutes on kan
nti den na pesa meka menka dey
so my girlfriend no asem na want make no kwananka
o girlfriend why point of correction nyo girl ni me fan to anon fan nanti mam obi nti say o so girl ni me nyo girl ni me enye o girl ni me na asem we ya wa frame ya wa ka hwe me na emi nya dey
asante
mo na wonya mo drama bi na mo ya mo nye me o frame me me dey
asante
me play the role of a stepmother and I say a friend and I say then
asante den na so me yodu na onto kwa we ba nya na wodi kan agejinem
na da wudi onyu suiti
since me use me tia
suiti na fa kwe I'm not part of this game anymore like men can take me out of it men can please
I don't know count
ana men can say ada yakra me ba no na mo no
na sant say my girlfriend no nti me buy your ba o you step daughter na yakra
I don't want to hear it please shut up.
Hey,
what do you mean, so girlfriend? Or girlfriend and why? Who's your girlfriend? Do I look like a girlfriend?
Asante, na butro enya ma dey we nya ho. O ba life am so better ma kuma na say den.
Me better wa kuma. Blue balls na me be ma. Nya wa kuma. She. E da wa no say ti show team so girl na me. Hey. Boy. Kweshia.
Asante, ne dey na ye ne sound.
Then na me nsa say.
Me the last time kwana mkasa agro bi kwana na o kan dia na.
Me ni udi agro me. Me come in some money agro. I mean it. I mean my words. I mean it.
Ade na ba be use me eja me so sa. Abe family man dey use me ewie na.
Sa na no.
Wo ba na se sa na no.
Adwini nye adwuma ni pedua ne bre. Na wo ka sa mo kwa mo me ma mo kwa na mutimi use oba o. She. Menam baby na yeshi na mpenso nyunegu.
Tuchima be use me.
Yes. Insi efi ne ko en from me ni sa drama way. I don't want to hear it again.
To the adwuma di me.
Now na ye musa mo kwa na mbetimi di adwuma di ho. Yes, the way amomo mema no utimi hu say yetimi ni oba eyusu ne ye ni no sa so no oba yenso yetimi hu be ma hu say bema we dey ma me use na menyi meni. I just wanted to have a feel of you and I'm done with it. So please.
Hey.
Oh yes.
Asante wa.
Oti mebi akubia onko. Menya de efifu mo ba. Mebi akubia onko. Asumesi. Me ba no wo isaru o yin. Me ba no yin so re meni bo yi. What him say you na wo school mu a. You ho say you no na wa.
But I'm not the one who takes care of him. How am I supposed to know where he is?
Enyo ni nesua de. Enyo mu nesua de. Nyemu an mo ye mbe radio mama yi say meni so ateme.
So how am I supposed to know where he is?
You just
checked and he's not there. So how am I supposed to know?
When you want to know to know na say who baby am ba no.
Me.
Na me.
You say some things that sometimes I don't even understand though. You saw me coming from outside. I'm not even coming from inside. How am I supposed to know where your son is?
Just me can't want some mean what decide say me person who me person o true me say okay can phone jam. I say hey mama can tell. Wo school man pay na na betimi a charm me omo. Wo mo na betimi do be ye na charm me. Wo mo na betimi nya we nya favor bi a jam me nya me o. Me de no ko mi hu ameka. No ko mi hu ameka ti say no ko na mi hu ameka na hawa. Me emfa me ho. Emfa me ho kura, emfa me ho. Me catch it.
Mister, when I was entering, I planned to just greet you and enter. You're the one who stopped me. So don't come and say I'm disrespectful or anything. You're asking me something that I don't know how I'm supposed to know.
And I'm
asking you why I'm supposed to know that.
Hey, a rap one to me challenge you are. And I make catch say, Nim now only man becca who was some new whom you so me found who can't be a mefaso. Kwebe mese wo ma anya test nkwa na nyeme first time baby ensu nka ba next week nyeme nketekete me say sisi makwan enu next week or next week me say me wo te ho me ba ba ya masu mu obi ehu.
It's not by force. If you want to test me and I don't want to be tested, it's
not by force. Who bet me? Who jale papa? Who bet me? Who bet me? Who give me ben now?
Opportunities to insult me.
To me ben now.
I don't give you the opportunity, then you try.
Eh fra no when nim nyina na asisi pimples wo hu nyin se hu anyin na asisi so nim no wakuma nyina na ebo pel no hu jo se de akwa basum so bi sua de onyinu nsua de wa ya nsa pantu abre onyinu nsua de titia no eye memasem de nyam woni na wu ho painful wa fere ho fo udi obi tisku ma ye be ha de na sa junior me sa so no mu a me sa so sa akwase ni no me sa so no mu a obehu de meye no sa aboa no so no odi na chi no ne no man me sa akora we no sku mo obehu de mi ni be ye wa asi asema akwa
yeah me penkwa na me nyo the party they come my way oh yeah me am embroso we meya me pese me come any months
the black e dey assemble ndi amase ye so me bo amane ana
Iddi wo bo amane na ko fabrita so mi enko no so kasi bi se yemra ni umehu no kasi mi enche wansa nti bi ka so mi yemra na sana ye bekwa ya
no better say o baka so much na kwasi ampeni ba ko no
wajo kwasi ampeni de
akola na friends Scanty o say one
hedi wonde mpacho mi hu no
na se case no no se fan hu bi so
ye nyina ye se ye bi hia ho ama honom bele mi ko enu ni ho mi bi sa ama se wa ba na ama si onte ni nka
enti o asembe na se o ka chem
Headmaster patron say asemne nsisi ni nan we ya we unim hu bi nti kana me pese ansani ebeko ye minini mi no beko akọ report nkan pese we na dance
so o ba
o ya me baba Iddi on say
na bi o ba time one nsen awo akwala wo buy not one man hu akwala within 1 hour 2 hours 3 hours wetimi ada ama ade ache so na ono marketing so won report no afro se mon report as we be ya dance answer o za wonyene samre kwa nke ni won se wugina ha o se ma report case we dada wo akola no wetimi atena se ya ane na mafo ba de pa na mu ye nasa mu ni badaye 1 nasa ono wo basa mon report as we be ya dance answer ade bia mi obusu apani
say dear kosum na no ni we ya we uni dear kosum
wa o se minim ni e kosum meaning say minim say akola na yira enti mon report na mo maka nche me na this obey ma okay mate madam padani dance ni wate mon report say the opesa what me
bibacho me pese ama breta on kan okri bia so ni be bia akra no wa me be say ba ku do police station na ba be dan na no no there me taking less from you
asama wo kan atwema jasi bibi so wo ba tan ya woni nsan ya wo ba na akola na yira metu ani ayira pa no wanti man report wa mo benanya yi bia till this time ama we sure so unim hu bibi unim hu bibi misi unim hu bibi
minim hu bibi anyam ya na mde me ho ba ye se yenkoye
say we ko dey akola kwa kuni kuru
ya bi ye ko test ni different from sa akola na yira ene mpese mi bi sa se akola no wo no ama obi abafa akola na ko hye ba bia na se wunnim ho hwe wunnim bebi akola no wokan kre
bebi awo de na nyame ne mumiam na na ko nya wo ne Scanty na na ko fie
na ye ko fie ni se ni wonu bi nti de na si ye nti akola no fie no wo timi nya ho didi ye de jo ho enum nsuo dai wo ba tan
me bawo
se me bawo
se hu froko ye ka asame na me bawo wo ba
bia de otia
de bi wo ba
se na se me ba
na chese wo ba
ama no nim se me ba
wo de ye ka asame na ka se no de bia me ka cho he asame ni ana wono nipa no na tim yi nika wo so wunim a se ba de na chese akola na wo de mu twa akola no ho manso report bi enya mai wo pre na me bawo se
akola ni nsantia ne na nyina ye chese me Ya wunti akwa ne kasa. Me ba. Adam is so no dey say ono Jimmy bi no Jimmy no.
Hey, monko report. Monko. Say dancing na pe. Party me dancing. Why? Jimmy. Monko report.
Na feel.
Nso ma feel do. Tinam sister me say share mo ha.
Asi. Ana say on ko Jim.
Na de me ko Jim.
Me say na me.
Me de ban ku body o. Ko Jim do. Ah. E dey na nya fe.
Pass na say we 41. 16 than 1.
Na de one na fu 5.
Oh. Oh pass me ko say.
Me papa. O papa dey forget no. Ah. Me no din ko ma me involve in wom kra.
Eh, the Adam catch yourself and dear me nature.
Jiwani. Eye me no mienu ni edido. Odo nipa mienu ade a yedi. Obi oba be kan obi abe third person singular. Forget it.
Sani ono be sure trouble nti.
Ontimi nya ohwe me makote ne strong warning. Forget it. Papa de me metimi handle no. Jiwani ni eni edo.
Eh,
we are say de obe bia nipa be kan ho asem. We are see de obe bia nipa be kan ho asem we. Shena yiwani na puto puto na puto puto na puto isi puto na puto na puto isi puto na puto yiwani mame papa puto na puto omedia na chigu wo puto na puto na chigu wo puto na puto isi puto na bushia me isi puto what you know say apofu to so we know say ha abla enim boss ye be ni sa
Tempo.
Oba to ye njira ebe na uche makwa ahwe hwehwehwe so ne ko
Babra, me si ye nkofie.
ne kofie me nkofie ipedwa ase gas na ede
Junior, ye nkofie.
Baby.
Wo so we wage so be ha me ba na me so me hawo. Wo,
nkasa
wo se fu. Se wo ewurade nyankopon. Se wo school mo so we wage so no mi bedi am no bedi. Wo se ba ko mu school mo ani yi wo. Me na me ka cho. Se mi mawu a wo bewu. Se mawu a wo bewu. Di me ba na chi se mawu a wo bewu. What? I will say pastor office. Who so hey, whoa. When him say kajeti adwum. Na me kashi. Me kashi. Who dey Jimmy, when him say 0. What?
Yeah, we.
When him say run about, what do me ba over to me fio.
Kajeti ade na.
Why when him say kosua 10 ya che. What? When him say kosua 10. Who dey won? School mu a. So why wage so be Jimmy on? Wo meji jo papa so why wage so be Jimmy? Me say ba ko nwu a. School mu a enye yi. Ba ko nwu a enye yi. Toto nsa na me twen. Toto nsa twen me twen. Toto nsa.
Baby, wait for me, babe. Baby. Oh, dia wa. Hey. You ko po mawu.
Hey. It is a school for him ko yedre ampa. Where me be yedre Jimmy no? What the feno? Hey. Baby, what the na fa me so me dey be fa so. Me dunya me dey besi. Wo. The be shadi.